guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sandra and this is my story. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up button if you like this video and turn on the notification bell to see my videos every Tuesday. In today's video, guys, I'm gonna do a hair tutorial. I think this is the first hair tutorial on my channel, on my English channel, but I remember I did a similar tutorial 4 years ago, if I remember correctly, on my Romanian channel, and I have to tell you guys that this is the most viewed video on that channel. It has around 40,000 views or something like that, so people are very interested to see hair tutorials, especially when it comes to curly hair, because you know, it's more complicated to do some curls compared to, I don't know, put the straightener and do whatever hairstyle you want. Before diving into this video, I need to tell you guys that my natural hair is curly. I'm gonna insert some photos here somewhere to show you how my hair, how my natural hair looked like. Was curly, actually. I need to mention that it was curly because, and I was and I had red hair, brown hair, black hair, and then I started to dye my hair with like blonde highlights, fully blonde. I fucked it up basically, and I'm really honest with you guys. So my hair, my natural hair is not curly anymore. It looks like, I don't know, something really bad. You will see it in a few seconds. If you follow me on Instagram, you will see that this is my hair 80% of the time, because I like doing curls with my wonderful device. I'm talking about Curl Secret from Babyliss. I'm gonna leave you a link in the description box with the model. I know Babyliss launched 2 or 3 new versions, like newer versions, so mine could be a bit outdated, but this is how it looks like, and it's very efficient and it's very useful, it's very fast. So in the next minute I'm gonna show you how to do curls, natural curls, using Curl Secret from Babyliss. Now, of course, you need to keep in mind your hair type, if you have thick hair or thin hair, if you have those like, if you have that kind of soft hair, the curls won't last too long. For example, I do my curls after I wash my hair and they last for 1 week, which is amazing. I don't have any issues with that, and I wanted a device which can help me to do my hair, but only once a week, because I don't have time every morning to do my hair. So in case you were wondering why Sandra looks like she's going to the salon every morning, I have to tell you that I'm not, and actually I'm doing my hair only once a week after I wash it, and then I keep my curls for the entire week. If you want to see how I'm doing the curls, how I'm creating the curls, and how I style the hair after, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, so first step, yes, I know I have a wonderful hair. First step is to turn on the device. As I mentioned, this is an old model from Babyliss, Curl Secret, and it has 3 buttons right here. This is the time, sorry, I need to remember. This is the temperature. The first one is at 160 degrees and the second one is at 200 degrees. I usually use 200 degrees Celsius, of course. The next one is a timing, even if you want to keep your hair for 8, 10 or 12 seconds in the device, and the last one is left, right or alternative, if you want your curls to be oriented to the left or to the right, or like alternative. I usually keep this on alternative. Let me turn it on, because you need to wait about a minute or 2, let's say, until the LED will be fully on. because it needs to be warmed up. And I usually keep it at 10 seconds. Of course, if you choose to keep your hair for 8 seconds, your curls will be larger. If you want to keep it for 12 seconds, your curls will be tighter, but they will... This cat is amazing. They will last for more. So, first things first, until we warm up the device, I'm gonna brush my hair. I have a like a regular brush. I don't have any fancy stuff. I will brush my hair. My hair is a bit tangled. Another mention that I need to make here while I'm brushing my hair. So I washed my hair last night. I just left it as it is, and now is completely dry, because you can't use this device on your wet hair. The device is ready, but before starting to do the actual work, we need to apply heat protection. Always and always and always, I recommend you guys to apply heat protection, even if you want to dry your hair with a dryer or with a rolling brush or whatever. You need to apply heat protection. And I have this wonderful product from Babyliss. It's an all-in-one coconut infusion for all hair types. It is a hydrating spray, is also a protector, and I think you can use it as a conditioner as well, like leave-in conditioner. So I'm gonna spray a bit of the product on my hair. It smells like coconut. Okay, I'm gonna separate the hair a bit, and I'm gonna put it here in a messy bun, like this. I'm gonna start from here, guys, and I'm gonna take a bit of a hair. The device won't be efficient if you have a thicker, is it strand or what? I don't know how to call this. A thicker... a thicker hair, it doesn't make any sense, but you got the point. You need to think about like medium thickness, let's say, and the movement is quite easy. So you place the device with this circle right here against your face. Do not touch your face. First things first, do not touch your face, because this is hot and you will get burned. And then let me see how I can stand here for you guys to see. I place the hair in this hole right here, and then I press on the device, and the device will literally suck my hair. I know it sounds crazy, but this is how it works. And I'm gonna wait for 10 seconds. I think I set this up for 10 seconds, if I remember correctly. Yes, for 10 seconds, and ta-da! This is the first curl. Now, let's do a couple more. Everything will be, if you don't talk too much like me, everything will be quite easy and fast. So you're gonna do your hair in about 20 minutes, and I'm talking about this length, yeah, so medium hair, medium to long. If you have shorter hair, you're gonna get tighter curls, and you're gonna be able to do this in less than 20 minutes. There is no pain, no effort, just to keep the device, and it is doing the whole thing. I feel it's very comfortable compared to a curler. It's more comfortable. And also, just to keep in mind, when you put a lot of hair, the device will block, and it will have a sound, just to let you know that you put a lot of hair in there. So let me show you. Okay, so I took more hair this time, you can see that, and I will try to see. So it's not working. I'm gonna do the rest of it on fast forward, guys, just for you to see how I'm doing it. And I'll be back with the final thoughts, and I'll be back to show you how I'm gonna style it at the end. I'm almost ready, guys. I still have a bit of a hair here, and I will finish in a minute, less than 30 seconds actually, and then we will do the styling. I'm gonna show you how to arrange your curls. Yes, and I put my glasses on because I can't see. I'm looking in the mirror and I can't see what I'm doing here. Boom. These are the curls at this point. So the next step is to apply an oil. I have this treatment from Moroccan Oil. This is the best hair oil ever. I apply this only on my ends. 3 pumps. It's enough. I'm gonna rub it on my hands a little bit just to warm it up. And then I will just, you know, touch my ends. I will touch my curls because this is how I'm gonna define my curls. Especially because the blonde hair could look pretty dry. So this oil will help me to have those shiny curls and defined. And then I need to stand up actually. Hello, I'm here. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna leave my head down and I'm gonna separate the hair. I'm gonna separate the curls. I don't brush my hair because I want the curls to be pretty tight. Something like this. And as a tip, guys, you will get enough volume if you don't brush your hair, and your hair won't be frizzy at all, and the curls will be really defined, just like this. Now let me have a sit, and basically this is the final look. I used only 2 products. I applied only 2 products, and of course the Curl Secret from Babyliss, the amazing device that is my best friend for 6 years, 5 years, something like that. So I use it every week because my curls will last for 5 days. I usually wash my hair once a week, so I'm gonna keep my curls defined and they look pretty natural. I don't look like I went to the salon and someone like a hairdresser or a hairstylist did my hair. I look like, you know, this is my natural hair basically. If you want larger curls, of course feel free to brush your hair, but this is my way of wearing my curls, and this is kind of like signature look if you liked it. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and you found it useful. Please let me know in the comments down below what other videos you would like to see on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Spread the beauty, take care, and see you next time. Bye!